soft ice cream. We're froze up. Alright, we're gonna melt it off. We got a dead defrost timer. Kind of difficult to see here, but if that timer motor is not turning and is stuck, then the defrost timer is bad because it'll just get stuck again. And just shut her down. Hear all the different thermal expansions happening. You can actually visibly see it crackling. Defrost timer was not turning. It's turning now. Now that I moved it once, but we're gonna need a new defrost. Swear nut was laying down in here. Kind of weird how it's melted open on the side. I was kind of wondering what would cause it to do that. Look at that. The connection was kind of loose. It got hot. It melted this off. Dropped it. You can see it's really close to arcing back in the corner there. Time to replace a little bit of wire. So I measured the amp draw on these before I hooked up the wire. And before we were getting 2 amps, and then after I fixed up that connection and hooked it back up, we were getting 4 amps. So we doubled the amperage. So I think we were just getting a really bad connection right there. Here's a little better look at that drive gear. You can see how it actually is turning, but it can be kind of hard to tell because they don't move very fast. And if that gear is not turning, then you know your defrost timer is starting to lock up, or that little timer motor has gone bad and it's time to replace the timer. Nice, we're back to freezing in here. Wet fingers stick to the evaporator, so that's a good sign. It means it's cold. Nice.